What's up, party people? So I'm about to teach class. I've got a quick little footwork tutorial. It's going to look like this. I think it's super fresh, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm AJ47. Welcome back again to the channel. Soul Mavericks crew. Subscribe if you're new, like the video if you like it, and let's get straight into this tutorial because I'm literally about to start in a couple of minutes. Okay, so sitting in position 0, what you need to do is place this hand down, all right, and I'm gonna kick with this leg. So kind of like, you know how you hook, where you go boom, 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 like this. I think I've taught you this in a tutorial the other day, all right? But what you're gonna do is you're gonna do that. Instead of landing in a hook, this leg is gonna hook over the top of the leg. So it's gonna go like this, boom, boom, boom. But make sure that when you land, this hand is doing something. It can't be flying around, otherwise it looks rubbish. So from here, and then you return, back, back, and then you'll kick, kick, boom, 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 kick, kick, boom. Okay, so it's got to look really, really light. Sorry for not having the in-depth explanation today, but I'm rushing. I can always revisit this a little bit later on. Let's see what that looks like to the music. Thanks again for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I do hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. For more, check out my Patreon page. Otherwise, subscribe if you're new, like the video if you like it, leave me a comment of what you'd like to see next. Peace, guys.